Clarity Windows is a high-quality window glass and home maintenance solutions provider based in Victoria, BC. Our residential and commercial services include gutter cleaning, pressure washing, roof moss removal, and more. At Clarity Windows, post-construction window cleaning is a specialized process that our team thoroughly performs and understands. Our professional team is trained to safely remove stubborn construction debris like paint, cement, and adhesive residue from all types of glass. Using our years of experience and industry knowledge, we carefully decide and select the proper use of tools and solutions to avoid any damage and always produce the highest quality professional clean. We are highly aware as to how crucial it is to clean windows immediately after construction. Leaving substances like cement and paint can cause permanent etching and staining on your glass. Wet the window with water or a solution of soap and water. This prevents the residue from drying and etching the glass. For more stubborn spots or silicone, use non-scratch sponge and pads. At Clarity Windows, we ensure protection from scratches and damage while we achieve a streak-free finish for your windows. To remove concrete from windows, we first lubricate the glass with a soapy water solution to prevent scratching, then gently scrape off the concrete with a plastic putty knife or a razor scraper held at a 45-degree angle. To remove stickers and adhesive from windows, we use hot soapy water with a plastic scraper, then use vinegar or isopropyl alcohol if needed. For stubborn residue, we apply solvent like WD-40 before gently scraping with a plastic scraper or razor blade. Post-construction window cleaning is a critical final step that demands more than a simple cleaning crew. It requires expertise to safely remove stubborn debris like paint, stucco, and mortar without scratching or damaging new glass. This is where Clarity Windows steps in. Our team specializes in this meticulous process, utilizing professional-grade, non-abrasive tools and techniques specifically designed for post-construction environments. We understand the value of your new build and the importance of a flawless, damage-free finish. Our commitment to safety and precision ensures that every window is not just clean, but flawlessly restored to its intended clarity. By choosing Clarity Windows, you are partnering with a reliable professional team dedicated to revealing the true beauty of your project and ensuring that your final presentation is nothing short of perfect.